Okay, so this is the rear foot elevated split squat, 1 1/4 rep. Okay, so this is really good to get the extra tension. It means you're going to spend more time rather than being at the top and more time in the actual working phase and the loading phase at the bottom. That's why we do it. So from here, I'm going to take a step back. I'm essentially going into my split stance. I'm just putting 1 elevated. In terms of what I've used, this can honestly be anything. Keep it like a 25 plate on the bumper plate. You can stack a couple here, just something that's going to elevate. From here, take a step back. Start from the front, I go chest up, drop my shoulder blades back and down, and essentially, as I come down with my back knee, I come up for a little bit, and I come all the way up. There's your quarter. So up, back down, drive again. This is, the reason we do this, you spend more time in the lower part than I do on the rest. That's why we do it, okay? If I change to the side, just so you can see my knees, up, shoulders, down, up. Drive off that front leg. Have a go.